Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we have a question where we have to find the value of x. The question is 3 into x power 4n by 3 plus 2x power 2n by 3 minus 16 equal to 0. Okay, so to make it simple, consider this power equal to y. So let y is equal to x 2n power 3. Okay, we have to write this thing also in the form of y. So take square on both sides. From here y square, and here this 2 will multiply with 2, so it will become 4n over 3. Okay, so now replace these things with corresponding value of y. So it will become 3y square plus 2y minus 16 equal to 0. Now we have to make factors of this term to get two factors. Okay, so you can write 3 square multiply 3 with 16, you will get 48, and in the middle term we have 2, so you can say that 8y and 6y. Put plus sign over here and minus 8 minus 6 you will get 2, and 8 into 6 you will get 48. Okay, now take y common from these two terms. From here 3y plus 8 will be left, and from here we can take 2 as common. So 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 16. Now 3y plus 8 is common, so take it out. 3y plus 8, y minus 2 will be left, so write y minus 2 will be left. Now 3y plus 8 equal to 0, or y minus 2 equal to 0. Now put the value of y. Original value of y was 3x 2 power n into by 3 equal to 8. So also shift 8 toward this side, it will become negative 8. Now 2 power n x2n by 3 is equal to minus 8. Divide both sides by 3, you will get 3 over here. Now we have to find the value of only x. So to get rid of 2n by 3, multiply both sides power with 3 by 2n, like in this way. 3 over 2n. 3 over 2n. So this will cancel with this one. So here x will be left, and from here we can write 8 over 3 divided by 3 over 2n. So this is our first value of x. Now solve this one. Replace value of y, which was x 2n by 3 minus 2 equal to 0. Shift minus 2 to the right side, it will become positive 2. Now in the same way, get rid of 2n by 3, multiply powers with 3 by 2n both sides. So these will cancel, and the value of x will become 3 by 2, and so this is our next value. Write it in the form of solution set. So 2, 3 2n comma minus 8. As these are both values, these values are only x values, so no need to put this bracket sign. Okay, so this is our final answer. I hope you have liked this video. If so, then hit like the button. Also subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video.